Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming back to see me today. In today's video we have the Our Generation surprise puppy set. I found them at my local Target. Thought I'd pick one up. You never know which one you're going to end up with. And hopefully I'll be okay with whatever one I get. So yeah. This time I did happen to cut the cellophane off. You just stick your finger in there. It's the one I wanted. Yes! Haha, look at the little dog. I'm happy. I don't have to get any more. How did I say that? Alright, so here's the paper. Oh, cool. That one wears a dress and a cowboy hat. That is neat. Alright. Tear the paper and dump the stuff out. And I dropped something. Bandana. Bandana. Skirt. Drop the chain. Cowboy hat. That is cool. Certificate of adoption. Sunglasses. Very cool. Oh, this must be the leash. That is an awesome little set. Our generation has really done an amazing job with this. Very cool. I was not expecting that. Now look at my little white puppy. Cutest little thing in the world. Yep. Thank you for watching and have a good day.